Hi, so we're going to a farm called Dural today. That is about 40 or 45 minutes drive from Central. So not very far, but they have all sorts of animals and I'm really excited to go and play with them. Also on the way, we'll be dropping by at a place called Unported, just to look at, what type of houses are there and, whether or not we could possibly live there in the future. So let's go. We can see some sheep already. That's heaps of nurseries. He is just surprised with rise of petrol prices. How much was the fuel?
$60 to $62 for 28 liters. Before, 32 liters would cost less than 40 bucks.
Yeah, so inflation.
Chicken?
Yeah.
Pick it up from the farm or pick it up from the chicken?
Yeah, the farm, the chicken ko. We're only 1 minute away from the farm that we're going to, but we're slightly early, so maybe we can get there and wait a little bit. We can already see a pony there. Here at the Ridges farm, it's so nice here. It's just like a fresh breath of air that I'm breathing away from the city. That's some birds. It feels so good here. It's like a bunch of fresh air away from the city, and we're only 40 minutes away, not too far. Feels so good. We can hear some goats. Bubu, how does it feel?
Nice.
There are some cows basking in the sun and grazing. There's a brown one, black one, black and white, heaps of them. It's just 10 o'clock and we're waiting for the farm to open at 10:30. But it's a good wait. This is an amazing place. I had to book online yesterday over the internet, and we just have to come and pay here at the counter. And we could also buy a feeding bucket for $5 and we can feed all the animals here. So looking forward to it.
Hello, Golden Ridge.
It's getting packed. When we came in, it was just our car over there. And now you can see many cars.
Oh, and that's the mom there.
So everyone's sitting here so that they can play with the animals, like there. So they bring animals out like ducklings and give it to people's hands. Are you excited?
Yeah. We're waiting till the lady brings the ducklings to us. So cute.
Hi.
Not too bad.
So here we have 2 chicks, 2 ducklings and a baby rabbit.
Okay.
So I'm just going to show you how to pick them up and then feel free to do cuddle them and nice. So with the chicks, it's hand flat. Pick them up and create a little house and they'll just sit there.
Okay.
Their feet do tickle a little, but other than that, it's fine.
Okay.
With the ducks, they do wiggle a lot more, but it's the same technique.
Yeah.
Hand flat, and if you find them, they'll just kind of sit in the perfect little huddle right.
Oh, so pretty. Okay. Oh my god.
Trying to jump.
What if I take it out of the basket?
Yeah, try.
Jump.
No. Lift the first 2 legs first. First 2 legs. And then, yeah, lift it. And then with another hand, catch the bum.
Oh my goodness, I'm scared.
No, lift the first 2 hand.
What if I break his legs?
No, lift the first 2 hand with 1 hand. With 1 hand and then hold by the bum.
See, it's doing like this. Okay.
Success. Put it on flat surface. Yeah. Success. Don't just play with the rabbit, they're waiting.
I'm scared to hold them.
It's fine, try it.
No, you want to hold in your laps?
Yeah.
Amma? I know. So the little chick has pooped a little bit in my hand. Hi, little one.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, it's okay. The bunny's pretty calm. The chicks were a bit crazy and the ducklings were okay.
Its nose is so flat.
Yeah. His nose is flat and always moving.
So if you go around to the left,
go to the white fence and you can hold some baby animals. Hey guys, how you doing? Hi guys. This is Sal. She's pregnant. She's pregnant. She's expecting a Christmas baby.
Oh.
And she's still like gives milk. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So she'll stop producing about 2 months before the baby's due to be born, just so she can put all of her energies into that last couple of months of the baby, and then she'll start producing as the baby's born. Stimulate the hormones to then start producing milk again. Milk like 12 months? Yeah, so they have to have a baby. The baby stimulates the milk to come in, but once they've got that first baby, if you continually milk them and milk them out completely, they'll keep producing. So yeah, so wrap your whole hand around, give a big squeeze, aim for the bucket. You gotta use your whole hand. Like this?
Yeah. Aim for the bucket.
Okay, thank you.
I'll just
Done?
put a
Yeah.
How did you like milking the cow? Good. Good? How good?
I don't know, it just became nice
And nice and
and icky.
icky. So it's time for the outside. Not sure what to do, but there are a couple of sitting tables. And it's sunny. So where do we feed the animals with the feeding bucket?
I don't know, maybe there. Look there.
Okay, so we can feed the deers. The deers are over there. The deers are waiting for us to feed them. Beware, we may bite. Are you gonna bite? Are you gonna bite? How do you feed them though?
We just give them.
Like how? Okay, you give it. I can hold that. Give him a little.
Hey.
Feed the baby.
Hey. Ama kosa tane ni deneriz. Here, here. Good job.
Hi.
Şimdi the baby le the baby.
Maybe the baby doesn't want to eat. Give it to the big one. No, give it to the big one. The small one doesn't want to eat. Do you want to go to the others? Let's go. Be careful. Chicken. Welcome to the chook yard. Chicken. Pigs. They're pigs, but this is not pigs.
That's not good.
Pigs.
Oh my god, it needs
Yeah, try giving it.
Steve's got out. I think she just needs it.
Yeah.
Here.
Try giving from the bottom, yeah. Another one is here, and this is a big one.
Oh my god. Hello.
Hey! You hold the bucket. What I'll do is I'll do this. Don't eat my hand, okay? There you go. Good job. Good job. All three of them.
Here. I'm not happy. He's waiting. Here.
Yeah. You're gonna go up and see more.
That's like llama.
That is llama. That is a llama. Oh, there's a baby as well. A baby goat.
Oh man, look at the little one's coming.
Feed him. You can give me the bags. Yeah, have this. Have this. Have this. This one. I have a little one. No, he wants a. He wants some. He wants a lot. Don't give him the bucket. Pull the bucket.
Wait, it's gonna make my hand.
No, he's not. Wait.
See, it's so cute.
I want to speak.
We will give them more. I'm telling you, nothing's gonna happen.
Like, I don't know how to pull this whole thing.
Look, Boo, the shorter one's waiting. Boo, how about that one? The beat square, it's still waiting. The shorter one's waiting for you. Look, it's coming.
Ooh.
This one. Hi. 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 Hello. Hey, llama. Hi, llama. Give him like 5 minutes. You send the little one home to me. Hi. Hello. Good.
Give it to the other one as well. Give one end to this one and the other end to that one. One end each.
Oh, so cute. Look at her feeding bread. Good job. This is the last one, okay?
You said last one it ran. Yeah. You want to feed the cows and the sheep, or?
Oh my god, look at the sheep.
Look.
Oh my god, it's coming. Hi. It doesn't have a horn in it. Here.
It's up on 2 feet.
Here.
Good job. Oh my god. A small one.
Oh, look at her. Okay, this one's for you, okay?
Good job.
There's about that. Oh my god. Okay, it's your turn now.
Oh, they feed it to this one.
Oh my god.
Little one. Oh my god, everyone's like just... Hello.
Hello, mister. Hello.
They can continuously eat. Give it to this one.
I'm not pussy. He's trying. Okay, here.
Hey, look, feed that. Hello.
Hi, pony. Pony.
See, he's got a big mouth, so don't make it small. Because otherwise he might bite your hand. I don't think he's hungry. Maybe give him straight from the bucket. Give him straight from the bucket. Yeah, see? He likes that. Nice. Good job. Do you want to drop the rest to the goats?
No.
Let's go to the goats. There's only a tiny bit left. Maybe drop it here. Drop it here and they can have it all. Like, just drop it. Oh my god. Attacked.
You push the batteries and he's the smartest one. He's just following me.
And he's eating like there's no tomorrow. I don't have it.
Okay, your turn. He's chasing others away.
Oh my god, yeah, he's chasing others.
Oh my god.
This is the, yeah, you can give him. No, he's back. He's back. Give it to someone else. Yeah, give it to this one. This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Here.
Okay, that's it. Done. Finished. Empty. Did he like it? Mm-hmm. Do you want to feed more animals?
You want to feed more animals?
I don't. If you want to, we can get another bucket.
Oh, that's fine. I think we can.
Okay.
But, how about the eggs though? We need to collect the eggs from the chicken.
Yeah, I think we have to do it there. We have to ask people.
I'm a farmer today.
You're not a farmer.
Look.
You're just feeding animals food. That's it. A farmer farms. So we're done here and we're heading to
House of Herbs and Roses.
Nice. They're like a what?
Nursery cafe.
Nursery cafe.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see.
Yeah, let's see. How many minutes now?
5.
Yeah. And we're towards home, so it's good.
So we're here to the cafe. We found a parking, we've parked there, and now we're gonna head in and have breakfast because we haven't had any. We only had, well, I had hot chocolate in the morning, that's it.
This is such a cute cafe.
So I got the cha-cha chai, it's a tea, and I got scones as well, and she got the Moulin Rouge chai and scone as well. So this is the starters. It's already lunchtime, but yeah. So I got the chicken pesto penne, and she got the chicken and leek pie with the garden salad.
Pie is not my pie though. We had a relaxing afternoon, now going back home.
So that's it for the day. It was a long day for us. It is going to be a long video. I'll try to edit it as much as I can, but yeah, that's the end. We'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.